Namaskar, hello and welcome back. Today I would like to ask you a very simple question. Are you supporting wrong people? Now why I am asking this question to you is because I just randomly I had a thought that many times in our life we keep on supporting wrong people for wrong reasons, and the idea of these people is not that they are having any kind of grudge against us or they want us to fail because of some reason, but it's only the thought that I had in my mind that probably we are supporting wrong people because ultimately there comes a point wherein we lose our identity. And when that happens, right, we don't be what we are. We are not being projecting ourselves as what we are. Now I'll give you a small example. You must have seen the creepers. If I'm using the right word, if it to be converted in Hindi, it is called as bele, right? Which we can see climbing on the walls of a building or electric pole, or any of the trees that we can see. So these creepers are absolutely, they don't have any strength of their own, but they stand on with the support of somebody else. And they have such a tendency, right, because the tree is not aware of, the electric pole is not aware of, the house is not aware of what is climbing on them, they allow that to happen. And when that happens, there comes a point in our life, in their life as well, right, when the original identity of that house, that electric pole, or even that tree gets lost because of the creeper which is completely overshadowing them. So if that is happening with us in our life as well, there could be some people who might be supporting us, who might be in our life, who might be helping us to be at a certain level, and because of they climbing on us, after a certain point of time we lose our identity, and then we start looking like the creeper itself, right? So we don't have our own identity, we look like them, we act like them, we be like them. So if that is happening in our life, we are losing our identity, and that is something which made me realize, or made me rather it forced me to create this content, because I wanted everybody who is watching this video right now to understand that if people are if we are supporting wrong people and if we are becoming them, then we are losing our own identity, right? So I would request, like I have been doing that for a very long time, because I lost my own identity at a particular point of time wherein I was not me, I was somebody else, right? I was projecting myself as somebody else, and that was something which is very, very risky and scary at times, right? So I don't want anybody to fall into that. That is the reason I'm creating this video. If this makes sense, right, and if you have identified that who are the creepers in your life, right, they could be disguised as your very, very best friends, right? They could be disguised as your well-wishers. They don't want, they are not doing it on their own. Probably it is happening, right? Tree or an electric pole or the house doesn't have a choice of shading that. The creeper which is climbing on them, they don't have that choice. But we as human beings, we have that ability, we have that choice of shading that, right? And we can move out of their shadow, right? So we can have our own identity, we can create our own personality as such that it can create an impact on other people, right? So that is the reason I just wanted to share with you all, right? Don't be into a shadow of a creeper, don't be into image of somebody else who is projecting you as them, right? So that happens in our life many times. We just cross a beautiful house and we say that it was a beautiful house, but see what has happened is because of the creepers and all, the original beauty has lost, right? Many people say that to us as well, right? But we don't realize that it is being said to us, right? So please don't let that happen to yourself. If you have identified that you are supporting someone who is climbing onto you, creating their own identity and overshadowing you as a person, right? Don't let that happen to yourself, right? I have been through that phase. I don't want anybody to get into that, right? That's the reason I'm creating this video. Hope you like the content. If you like the content, please go ahead into the comment section and help me out with your comments as well. Very happy and very excited to see your comments. Thank you so much. Hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you. God bless. Thank you. Jai Hind.